Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about how to make money doing affiliate marketing for beginners. I'm going to give you 3 steps. If you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home. I do a lot of product reviews just to let you guys make an informed buying decision. I'm also going to get a little bit into e-commerce this year, as well as starting a series on YouTube marketing for affiliate marketing. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos, which right now is on a daily basis. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. First of all, I want to congratulate you because you are out here making a difference, really wanting to change your life, and I think that's great. Not everyone does that, so congratulations. Again, how to make money doing affiliate marketing. The first step would be, of course, to pick a product. That's really important. I prefer to have a product that has multiple streams of income, so you're promoting one link and you can make money multiple different ways. Of course, you want it to be a high converting offer, something that a lot of people want, that will solve people's problems. You want it to be in a booming industry, which e-commerce, e-learning is going to always be there. I think digital products are great. And then you want to have a high percentage of sale. I would say I like at least 50% to 100% because you're just getting more of the sale. So that would be the first thing, is to pick a product. And of course you can go to ClickBank, you can go to the Amazon Affiliate Associates program, you can go to JVZoo. Those are some of the platforms you can pick. I do some there, but I have a lot of other products that I have that are high converting that I promote. I'll mention those at the end here. And the second thing is to set up tracking. And what that is you want to make sure you know where your sales are coming from. Whether you do paid or free, you want to know where to focus your efforts, like which campaigns are winning, which ones are not, so that you can scale up the ones that are winning. Otherwise, you're just kind of marketing blindly. And when I first got started, I didn't track anything, so I had no idea where my sales were coming from or what campaigns were working. So this is really important. There's 2 tracking software that I recommend. I actually use both of them because I had ClickMagick before our ROI panel came out. And I'll show you ClickMagick here in just a minute, but that's $47 a month, and which turns out to be like $564 a year, whereas the ROI panel does the same thing. They're actually probably going to have more features than ClickMagick, but it's the smallest package there is $197 one time, so that's definitely a better deal there. But if you're going to use ClickMagick, let me show you. I'll just go to my ClickFunnels here, and the other thing is you want to make sure you don't drive your traffic to just the sales page. You want to make sure that you have a lead capture page like this, so that you're capturing leads, because otherwise the person comes to your offer and they don't want the offer at that time. You won't capture that lead and be able to market to them. So you want to have something like this, like a lead capture page. You could have something just generic like this, and then change out the offer inside the funnel, to different ClickBank products or JVZoo products or other products in there. And then you'll have an email follow-up series that is connected to this. So once they put their email in here, then they'll get a follow-up series with promoting the product that you've chosen. So what you would do here is you would get your link for this, and then you would go to ClickMagick, and you can add a custom domain here, which I have done. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Let me click on Create New Link here. Create New Link. So basically this is my domain name here. So you would just put in here what you're going to be promoting. So I'm going to put the lead capture page in here, and then your link name is going to be what you need to name it in order to remember where it's going to. So let's just say maybe you're going to do some YouTube marketing, so you could say YouTube and then if you were going to promote or you're going to link this to a certain YouTube video and you want to see how that one did, you could just name whatever the video is about. Something like that. I mean, you can just make up whatever you want so that you know what the link is going to. So if you have it pointing to YouTube, you just have it on there, or you have it on Facebook. That way, when you go back, you'll be able to know, okay, this sale came from YouTube, this one came from Facebook, this one came from this email series. Okay, so you just put in the link name here. That's actually not a good one because it's too long. We'll just put in YouTube affiliate, so maybe that's what your video is about. So then you just click create link. And let's see, I got a bunch of them here. So if you click on YouTube affiliate, this is going to be right here, the link that you put in the description, like let's say in your video. And you can preview it here so you can see that it takes you to this lead capture page. Okay, so that's something that's really important. The ROI panel, like I said, the smallest package is 197, but it's just very similar to ClickMagick, where you name it, put the URL, that would be your lead capture page, the cost if you're doing paid advertising, and then just save changes, and then you've got your tracking link right there. Okay, and then the third step, of course, is to promote. And there's many different ways that you can do this, paid and free. The free ones that I would recommend are YouTube. I get a lot of sales from free traffic on YouTube. You can do product reviews. You can do a series where you pick a product, you get results with the product, and then you promote it after you get results, and you show how you get those results, and then you have a call to action at the end of your video that says, if you'd like to learn more about this product and how I got these results, click the link in the description below the video. And then of course you can create videos around certain problems that people would have in that niche that you're promoting. Like let's say if it's a weight loss product, how to lose belly fat, how to gain muscle, or just any kind of problems that they would have, and then your product would be a solution to their problem. The second one is Twitter, and this is a unique way to market on Twitter. I'm actually going to leave this last three, Twitter, Quora, and blogging. I've done videos on those in detail on how you would market on those particular sites, and I will leave those in the description below this video. Quora is a question and answer site, so you can go in there and answer questions and then direct people back to a page where they can learn more about your affiliate offer. And then of course blogging. Those are all going to be YouTube, Quora, blogging. They're all going to be long-term strategies, but the thing about that is eventually you can start to rank in the search engines, and that's content that's going to be out there forever. So it's really good, but you're not going to get as fast results as you do with the paid. And with paid, you can do solo ads, and that is promoting your offer to someone who already has an email list, a large email list, and they send out your offer to their email list, and you pay them by clicks. And then YouTube also has paid ads. That's another really effective way. You can get really, really inexpensive leads doing YouTube paid advertising. And then, of course, you have text message marketing, you have Craigslist, you have webinars. And the reason I say it's paid is because you can get your own evergreen, ever webinar. I'm going to show you an example of one that I have here where you can brand yourself here. Okay, so this is very high converting cash webinar, cash letter crusade webinar, and that's one thing that I use. And then Craigslist again, and ringless voicemail. A platform that I use for paid advertising is called Email Economy, and you can see that we have the webinars, we have ringless voicemail, and it's just direct mail, a lot of different types of advertisement. Of course, it's all paid, but it's very, very effective. Okay, so these are ways that you can promote. And if you have a budget, I would recommend starting out with solo ads. You can buy, you go to Udemy, you can buy clicks for as little as like 40 cents a click. You just go in here and find sellers. Okay, where's some of the ones that I've used? These are some of the solo ad providers that I've used. And I've got some training on solo ads as well. I'm going to leave those videos in the description below this video as well. So that's basically it. I mean, you have to pick a good product. You want to track your marketing and then promote it either with free or paid. If you guys have any questions, make sure you leave a comment below this video. If you guys found value from this, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. Also, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, that'll be the first link in the description below this video. I'm also going to leave links to some other high converting affiliate offers that I do very well with. You can check those out as well. With that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.